and Electronics. I joined JSPIDERS and my year of pass out is 2021. I joined JSPIDERS on October 4th. So within fraction of 2 months, here the institute, Rajajinagar Institute, the trainers have trained in very good way that I got my confidence because having no idea about an IT and having no idea about any programming language. Here the trainers provided that environment to learn the things in a good way, and have to mention Bhuvan sir because he made us to feel SQL so easy. Then also special mention about Keshaveara sir because he taught us Java, so that gave me confidence to face any companies. So I've attended only 2 companies. First company I didn't clear, but this is my second company, so I got placed. Thank you.